Om Ajnanatimirandhasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha.
There's no need to say it. I'll say it anyway. It's an occasion of great happiness to be here at this opening ceremony of the temple of Sri Radha Parthasarati in Anantapura. And it's certainly very pleasing to see such a beautifully constructed and decorated temple. So definitely everyone who enters this temple will be inspired by Krishna Chaitanya. Krishna Chaitanya, that's Telugu for Krishna consciousness. You don't have to translate it. So it's a pun. You'll be inspired by Sri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and will be inspired by the consciousness of Krishna. Undoubtedly, a lot of dedicated service, hard work has gone into constructing this temple and getting it ready for opening. And we pray that this will serve as a worthy embassy for the International Society for Krishna Consciousness in this region, southernmost part of Rayalaseema. I think people are suffering a lot in this area from drought, isn't it? Yeah. Well, if we have plenty of pure kirtan, then there'll be no more drought. Yagya Bhakti Parasaranaha, as Lord Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita. From Yagya comes rain. So as Srimad Swami Maharaj was explaining, the main or the yagya, the activity for God realization in this age is Harinam. So this temple is beautiful, and not to in any way denigrate it, but actually there are already many, many beautiful temples in India. So what's the point of building another? People may ask. This temple is especially meant for preaching Krishna consciousness, and that means promoting Harinam Sankirtan. So the real beauty of this temple will be the beautiful devotees whose character is beautiful by their absorption in Harinam. There are many beautiful temples in India which hardly anyone ever goes to. One thing is, you're starting to translate just as I'm passing it over, and the first word is missed. You start to speak just as I'm passing over the mic, so the first word doesn't get amplified. You have to put it here and then speak. And then, on the other hand, we find temples of this sort. Some of them are not very beautiful architecturally, but many people are going. So a beautiful building, people may come and look at once, but they're not likely to come and look at many times, just for the beauty of the building. But if they find in this building that there is something that they don't have in their life that they want, which is the higher spiritual consciousness, Krishna consciousness, they never want to come back again and again and again. So the beauty of the temple that has more than one function. One is for the pleasure of Krishna. Krishna is all beautiful, and all beautiful things should be offered to Krishna. This principle is demonstrated by building a beautiful temple for Krishna. So many rich people are building beautiful houses for themselves, but by building a beautiful temple for Krishna, it is preaching that make a beautiful house for Krishna. Preaching, it's demonstrating the principle that we should make a beautiful house for Krishna. Don't try to enjoy yourself. Offer everything nice to Krishna. And then of course another point is to attract people to come. If they want to see something beautiful, so they will come to the temple to see something beautiful. Start from the beginning again. But our aim is not that people simply come once, but that they should want to come again and again and participate in the activities of Krishna consciousness. Now there is to be the Netronmilanam. People come to the temple for darshan. Generally people think darshan means I go to the temple and I see the Srimurti. But the devotional attitude is that I am presenting myself before Bhagavan in the mood of a servant, that he shall see me and I shall offer myself to him as his servant. So the installation of the deity and the opening of the eyes is that now our dear Lord, by the grace of our acharyas, we would like to present ourselves to you and request you that you accept our service. The people come here for darshan, but in devotionals, in Bhakti, darshan is not principally with the eyes. That is called Shruteshitapata, that one shall see by hearing, see through the ears. So, persons will get the best benefit from coming to this temple if they can be induced not simply to see, but to sit and hear from the devotees. Jai Srinath, Jai Swami Maharaj Ki Jai. I think that signifies that the ceremony is allowed to begin. Maharaj is entering, is that correct? No one thinks so. So we have to, anyway, there's not much point in us speaking because everyone's seen. Hare Krishna.